An earthquake of magnitude 4.3 occurred early evening on Sunday, October 31, 2021, at 6:18 p.m. local time near Bellampalli, Allapalli district, Telangana, India, as reported by India's National Centre for Seismology (NCS). According to preliminary data, the quake was located at an intermediate depth of 77 kilometers. Our monitoring service identified a second report from the European Mediterranean Seismological Center, EMSC, which listed the quake at magnitude 4.3 as well. Towns or cities near the epicenter where the quake might have been felt as very weak shaking include Ahiri, located 46 kilometers from the epicenter, Allapalli, 49 kilometers away, Bellampalli, 49 kilometers away, Manthani, 50 kilometers away, Mandamarri, 51 kilometers away, Mancherial, 58 kilometers away, Ramagundam, 58 kilometers away, and Ramagundam, 58 kilometers away.